Is the Epic Games Launcher taking up valuable space on your PC or laptop and you're ready to give it the boot? This comprehensive guide will walk you through a clean and complete uninstall, ensuring no remnants are left behind. First, we need to access the Apps and Features section of your system. The easiest way to do this is by clicking on the Windows Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Start menu is open, begin typing Apps and Features into the search bar. As you type, you'll see Apps and Features appear under Best Match. Click on it to open the correct settings window. Now, in the Apps and Features window, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your computer. Scroll down or use the search bar at the top to locate the Epic Games Launcher. Once you found the Epic Games Launcher, click on it. This will reveal an uninstall button. Go ahead and click that. You'll likely see a user account control prompt asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click yes to proceed with the uninstall process. The Epic Games Launcher's own uninstaller will now appear. Click the uninstall button within this window to initiate the removal. The launcher will now be uninstalled from your system. You might see a progress bar. Once it's complete, the uninstaller window will simply disappear, indicating the process is finished. While the launcher is gone, there might be leftover folders. We need to manually remove these. Open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows key+E. In File Explorer, navigate to your C drive, then open the Program Files folder, and then locate and select the Epic Games folder. Right-click on the Epic Games folder and select Delete from the context menu. Confirm any prompts to permanently remove this folder and its contents. Finally, to ensure a complete cleanup, don't forget to empty your recycle bin. Right-click on the recycle bin icon on your desktop and select Empty Recycle Bin. This will permanently remove any deleted files, including the Epic Games Launcher remnants. And there you have it, the Epic Games Launcher has been successfully uninstalled from your PC or laptop, freeing up storage space and ensuring a clean system. Until next time.